Tokyo Metro, 40 million passengers daily, the busiest subway in the world. They have been around since the 1950s. Oshiya, that means pusher. Their job? Packing people into trains. There's a technique: firm but gentle, fast but safe. No punching, no violence, just pushing. Trains come every minute, no delays. Every second matters. Without Oshiya, this system would collapse. And here comes Ronaldo. He found himself here today. The uniform is a bit tight. He went in with football technique, shoulder charge. But the Japanese passengers didn't even budge. The 60-kilogram master teaches. The 85-kilogram Ronaldo learns. Technique matters more than strength. Then he succeeded. Siuuu! But shoes got left on the train. Backpacks got caught in the doors. Before getting fired, he pushed 100 people and Messi onto the trains. Getting Messi on board was his greatest victory. Japan changed him. Or maybe he changed Japan.